everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going over my results for the June 19th through July 2nd paycheck. I have calculated everything, double checked to make sure that everything was correct, and now we are going over the results. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell, that way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you're already subscribed, thanks for joining again. So when it comes to the income was $2,175.08. My main expenses, which were 3 bills at the very top, rent, K's, State Farm, those were all the same. I didn't pay any more, didn't pay any less. So those were the same at $529.15. For groceries, I know I budgeted for $125. Now during my check-in, I haven't went grocery shopping or didn't go grocery shopping just yet, but I did end up spending $114.37. $75 did go to this new pay period. For ride share, it was the same, $10. For food, $10. Or for fun, $10, sorry. For fast food, I spent $119.08. I'm not really sure what happened there. Hopefully it won't happen this month. For gas, instead of me spending $15, I did spend $10 in gas and rolled over the rest. So I have about $80 in rollover amount so far. For savings, instead of saving just $210, I was able to save $1,009. Shocking, because that's the first time I've ever been able to save $1,000, unless it was, you know, tax money or the stimulus check, stuff like that. But this is the first time I've ever been able to physically save $1,000 or over $1,000. For car maintenance, it was the same at $40. For health, it was the same at $50. For vacation, it was the same at $20. For Starbucks, I did load $10 to my Starbucks card. I actually went to Starbucks, was it yesterday? I ended up getting a white chocolate mocha frappuccino with 3 pumps of raspberry, and it tasted pretty good. I seen it on Facebook. For the salon, that cash envelope do have $70 in it. For gifts, $20 personal. I did keep or spent that entire amount. For unbudgeted, it was $60. So if you add everything up, it totals to $2,097.08. And if you subtract that from the income, which is $2,175.08, I ended up with $78 left in my account. Now, normally I would throw everything in savings, but this time, since I had added so much money to savings already, I did take that amount and split it in half. So half went to savings. Since we've already went over the budget by paycheck results from the last paycheck for June, let's go ahead and move into the monthly results. Back to the monthly budget for June. So I did budget for an income of $2,600. The actual income was $3,661.89, which was $1,000 more than I anticipated. So when it comes to the rent, I did pay $725. For my Walmart credit card, I did pay $105. For Discover, I did not pay them anything. That's why it's blank. For AT&T, I did pay $216.33. For NES, which is my electricity, I did pay $80. For State Farm, I really didn't know how much that bill would have went down, but it did go down by $10 pretty much, so $145.21. For out of town, even though I did not go out of town, I went ahead and kept that $70 in its cash envelope. For groceries, I did a little better for groceries than I normally would. So I budgeted for $250, ended up spending $259.37 for ride share. Instead of spending $30, I spent $20, and that's for a cash envelope. For health, I budgeted for $150, but I ended up spending or putting $100 in that cash envelope. For personal, I did budget for $60, but I ended up spending $86.94. For car maintenance, I budgeted for $80, but I ended up adding $119 to that account. For fast food, as you can see, we did go over, and we ended up spending $165.64. For fun money, that is not right at all. Let me change that. So I made the correction to fun money. I budgeted for $20, and $20 is what I added to the cash envelope. For gas, I did budget for $30, but I spent $25. For salon, I didn't budget for anything, but I did stuff the $70 cash envelope. And for health, which is blank, and it's blank because I received my vision bill in the mail, and it was $294, but I did pay for it on my Care credit card. And if you have an amount over $200, you get to pay it off in 6 months, interest free. But of course, it wouldn't take me that long to pay off $300. I was thinking about breaking it down in half and just paying half of it next month and paying the other half in September, even though I do have the cash to pay it right now. For vacation, I budgeted for $60, but only put $40 away. For savings, I only budgeted for $420, ended up saving $1,250. The total amount for bills and expenses for the month of June was $3,505.49. Now, if I would have brought home anything less than this amount, I would cut my cash envelopes. That way I can pay my 4 walls, which is rent, gas, light, water, phone bill, internet, things like that. I do hope that you have a great rest of your day and or night, depending on when you're watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.